little engineers. Do you know a car talks without one word? When a driver wants to go to right or left, they will put the indicator. If you want to go to right, and put the right indicator. If you want to go to right, left, put the left indicator. Let's see how car indicator works. Welcome to Dhakshan's Innovation Lab. Before moving to the experiment, we need these components to make a demo car indicator. First, battery. Second, toggle switch. I will tell after this what is the use of it. To blinking LED, to resistor and few wires and a connector. Today we are going to introduce few new components. First, toggle switch. Okay, it's not a normal switch. It can control two LED lighters. If you want to light this blinking LED, go to this side and it will blink. If you want this LED to blink, and go this side and it will blink. Okay, the second new component is resistor. Do you know why we are using the resistor? This is 9 volt and this is 3 volt. This is a small fellow. That's why resistor will protect. When the battery comes near the LED, this guy says, No, I will die quickly. Please leave me alone. And he will run. Help me. Resistor. He will call resistor and it will come between two of them. Then he will connect to the resistor and the battery and the light will stay for long. If you want to put the LED, you will put that and it will get damaged and it will not work. Okay, if you put the resistor between the battery and the LED light, the LED light stay for long time. That's why we use resistor. Let's go to the experiment. First I will say how to place the components so you will know which wire is the right thing, which wire is wrong. First, put the toggle switch over here. Then the left indicator over here and the right indicator over here. This long leg was positive. This short leg was negative. Now put the resistor one over here and one over here, and lastly the battery over here. Now let's see the connection. This is the connection you have to connect with the wire. I'm going to use this car to make the car indicator demo. Okay, first we are going to study the placements of components. First, I will put the two indicators. I will put over here, but it won't stand, so I will bend it little bit and put like this. Now it will stand like this, and another also I will bend. Then toggle switch like this, and battery over here I will put. That's the only place I can put. Resistor, I can only put it in the middle and put in between like this. Another also like this. Like this I will put. Now we studied component placements. We have to connect everything with the wires. I will show you after soldering. I'm going to explain this connection. Let's start with the toggle switch. It has 3 terminals. First, I will show you the left will go to the LED positive. I will show it over here. For yellow part is the left one over here, and another right terminal I connect to right indicator. For right, I connect blue wire. The battery positive goes to the middle terminal like this. The middle red wire is the battery's positive part. That's it. Okay. The resistor, I connect both them together. Battery negative to the center of the resistor. Connection is done. This is how LED and resistor should connect. We finished the soldering part, so let's see how it works. I am connecting the battery. It started working. Look, the left indicator is on. Now the right indicator is on. Left, right, left. It's so cool. Oh.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to Dhakshan's Innovation Lab for more fun experiments. See you in the next video. Bye.